In this video, we will be assembling a CSE 1.5" pneumatically actuated LL type divert valve. Begin by locating O-ring and placing into the upper assembly of the actuator housing. O-ring to the inside of the middle of the lower assembly housing. Make sure they're placed in there securely. O-ring around the outside of the top of the lower assembly body, and an O-ring around the plunger stem. Secondly, grab food grade lubricant and apply to all O-rings, as well as the inside of the actuator housing. Lubricate the piston. Place the piston short end first into the lower actuator assembly. Place spring on top of the piston. And actuator upper assembly over the entire thing. Press down securely until it's firmly in place. At this point, you're going to want to rotate it so that the groove hole is lined up. Then you can sneak the retention clip in there. Barbed end first. Place it in. Begin to rotate clockwise. At the end, grab a screwdriver, place the back end down, and rotate backwards. And you're going to want to rotate it about a quarter turn back once it's securely in there. At this point, the actuator housing is complete. Place it upside down on a block. Attach air supply. Actuate the air. Place gasket ring over the piston. Reactuate it. Now we can begin assembling our stem. Going to want to use food grade lubricant on each of the discs. Grab the stem assembly. At this point, we're ready to begin assembling the stem assembly. Gaskets on both ends. Place securely over the stem. Locate your washer, retention cap, O-ring. Find some thread fastener, a lock screw, at this point, you're ready to screw it into the top of the stem, securing the entire stem assembly together. Make sure it's securely fastened. At this point, the stem assembly is complete. Slide it down into the actuator housing. Grab a C-clip and secure the stem. Tap it in lightly with a hammer. At this point, use air to lower. Now you're ready to line it up. Place a clamp over the body. Use a hammer to work out the slack. And a wrench to further tighten the clamp. Grab an O-ring. Inside of the bottom of the divert valve, last piece we're placing on there. Place it securely over, making sure to line it up parallel. Lower, air to raise. And place the final clamp on the assembly. Again, use a hammer to bang out the slag. Further tighten it down. And provide air supply to test the function of the actuator. That's a completed CSE 1.5" LL type divert valve, air to raise.